Okay, for this question, they want us to use this sequence to find the value of y. So basically, they want us to find the next term. And first, they want us to do it if it's arithmetic, and then they want us to do it if it's geometric. So let's do arithmetic first. So if I have this sequence, right, 2, 8, and then the next term is 3y plus 5, and it's arithmetic, that means I'm adding to get between each. So that means we're adding 6. So that means I'd have to add 6 to get here. So what that tells me now is that 8 plus 6 is going to equal that next term, 3y plus 5. And if we work down and solve for y, we'll get it. So 14 equals 3y plus 5. We subtract 5 from both sides. We get 9 equals 3y. We divide both sides by 3, and we get y equals 3. Okay, now for B, they want it to be geometric. So again, I have the three terms, 3y plus 5. Geometric, however, means that we're multiplying. So this is times 4. So since it's a geometric sequence, that means I'm going to multiply by 4 here also. So this 8, the second term, times 4 is going to equal that third term, 3y plus 5. So 8 times 4 is 32, equals 3y plus 5. We subtract 5. 32 minus 5 is 27, equals 3y. And divide by 3, 9 equals y. So y equals 9 for part B. The key part to this problem is a couple things. One, they're telling us it's a sequence, and then they're telling us that it's either arithmetic or geometric. So we know there's a constant that's getting added or a constant that's getting multiplied.